Hello, my name is Rachel Murray. Welcome to my tutorial video. This semester I learned how to use OneNote, and now I'd like to share with you how online students can study better with OneNote. I hope you enjoy my video. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land we study on, the Gubbi Gubbi people, and pay my respect to their elders past, present and emerging. The overall aim of my tutorial is to demonstrate that OneNote, which is Microsoft's digital note-taking application, has features and tools that can improve online students' study strategies. Students will learn how to insert resources, take notes, review and revise using OneNote. First, we'll create a new notebook. So go to the top, click Add Notebook, decide where to save it, and name your notebook. Create Notebook. Now we have a notebook called Guided Learning. We have one section automatically there, which we can name. We can click plus to add another section. And we can do that for as many sections as we will be needing in our notebook. Now a new page will automatically open in the section we want it in. So I want to call this page Excel Resources. Now we're going to insert our learning material. Click on Insert and then Online Video. Simply paste the address of our video. This one's on YouTube. Click OK and there we are. The video is ready to play inside our OneNote. We can also easily do this by simply clicking and pasting anywhere on the page and the video pops up as well. So that's a quicker step and that works just as well. Of course, we only need one video here today to learn from, so we simply click on the three buttons and delete. Learning material can also be inserted as file attachments, printouts, spreadsheets or tables. It can also be inserted as a simple screen clipping. Here I've taken a screen clipping of the guided learning information from the TPP102 course. We've covered inserting our learning material into the notebook. Let's move on to talking about taking notes. The docked window tool is very useful for taking notes. Go onto the View menu and select New Docked Window. Now this will open up a window on the side of the screen. So then on the main screen we can open up our learning material. In this case it's a YouTube video. And then as we watch our video, we can make our notes. And whatever page we navigate to on the main screen, our notes, our docked window where our notes are, will stay there on the side screen. The docked window tool is also extremely useful for online students because you can use it during the Zoom tutorials, so you can take notes while you're in the meeting. Another feature which I really like in OneNote is the tag notes feature. So we can tag our notes so that we can find them later. And there's a long list of tags. For example, to-do tags, important tags, question tags, remember for later. And we can also customize our own tag. I've created one which is called To Review, which you can see up the top there where the arrow is. And once we have our notes, we can begin to review and revise our learning material. Revision is really important for successful study. As the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve shows, over time we forget the information that we have learned. This graph shows the benefits of spaced revision. So over time, each time that we review and revise our learning material and our notes, we forget less, so we remember more and more. With OneNote, we can creatively format our notes to use them for revision. OneNote has many ways in which we can make our notes look great, so that they're easier and more pleasant to revise from. On the View menu, we can customize our canvas, can change the color, we can give it lines, we can even change the colors of the lines. So other formatting tools are similar to Word. On the Home menu, we can change our font. So we simply highlight our text and choose a new font. And the same as in Word, we can also change the color of our font to make it look more interesting, to make it stand out more, or just for a bit of fun. I like to draw shapes around my content boxes. This is similar to Word as well, the draw shapes function. So I find a nice rectangle around my notes. Works well. One feature that is unique to Excel is the Insert Space tool. So this allows us to insert space on our page wherever we need it. So if we want to put more material in the page, we can just use that. To customize the ribbon in OneNote, go on to File, then down to Options. Then we can select Customize Ribbon. And this gives a drop-down menu of all the different tools available, which we can select and bring over to our new ribbon, new tab that we're creating. There it is, new tab. On here I have my favorite highlighters. I have the Format Painter, Screen Clipping Tool, Tag button, bullet points. So it's very useful to have them all there where you want them. Another feature that we can do to format our notes is to check our tags. So we go onto the Find Tags button, and that will bring up all of the tags that we've made. So we can search for them, or we can see a list of them. Simply click on it and it will take you to the tag. And we can check if we have performed the actions, if we have followed up. The To Do tag has a cute little box that we can put a tick in when we've done it. It's very satisfying. That brings me to the end of the tutorial part of my video. So I hope you have seen now how online students can study better with OneNote. These students have. If you would like to learn how to use OneNote effectively to study better, I recommend the following training providers: linkedin.com/learning/topics/OneNote, microsoftsupport.com/en-au/OneNote. Both of these providers are free, and I use them to learn about OneNote, and I'd highly recommend them. I haven't used Udemy as it's a paid provider, but I might want to one day. So the address for that, if you want to check it out, is udemy.com/topic/OneNote. Social media also has great resources on OneNote as a starting place to start your OneNote journey. Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube are all worth checking out. Just go onto the social media site and search for OneNote. So that brings me to the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck all of you in your studies. And please do contact me if you have any questions or feedback. You can find me at r_m159@student.usc.edu.au. Thank you. Bye.